So over the course of the beginning of May, I was seeing various freight movements in engineer trains that were diverted via the Ayrshire coastline because the West Coast main line between Carstairs and Lockerbie was shut. However, my first catch will be at Howwood on the 2nd of May, where we go to see 6K52. The early 1809 turned up at 1739 GBRF service to Lanark Junction from Carlisle NY with 66782. And then on the same day we go to Dalry to see a very slow moving 6K53, the 1830 GBRF service to Lanark Junction from Carlisle NY with 66722. And then just the day after on the 3rd, I'd be back out at Gales Level Crossing this time, where I'd go to see 6Z36. The early 1212 turned up at 1207, close rail freight service to Grangemouth Innes from Carlisle NY, and there was also filming in some of the worst rain I think I've ever filmed in. And then with the rain getting that bad and my camera shut off halfway through the recording, this was 5Q07. The early 1126 turned up at 1111 Rail Operations Group service to Yoker CS from Kilmarnock Boddington Depot with 37800 and 320 307. And then in by far the worst rain that we've ever filmed in, we go to Johnston to see a delayed 4M48. It was delayed, funny enough, due to flooding. 1756 turned up at 1819 Moss End to Daventry with 68003 and 88009. And then with the rain keeping to how bad it was beforehand, I would retreat to the cover of Paisley Gilmer Street, where we go to see 4M30, the 1931 Grangemouth to Daventry with 66099. And then my last catch on the 3rd would be 4S44, the 2016 Daventry to Moss End with 88007 and 68003. The thing to note here is 88007 actually has its pantograph up with 68 doing next to no work. This is quite rare on the Ayrshire coastline. And then going just to the 4th on the day after, we'd go to Paisley Street yet again to see 4 Echo 69, the 1947 GBRF service to Teesdocks GBRF from Elderslie GBRF with the underground livery 66721. And then for my last few catches of the week, we go back down to Johnson, where the first one would be 4M82, the early 1503 turned up at 1452, Moss End to Daventry with 68001 and 88010. And then we would go to Howwood to see my last catch of the week, which would be 4M48. The early 1553 turned up at 1538. Direct rail service to Daventry DRS Tesco from Moss End Euro Terminal with 68002.